here's what I believe it is the greatest opportunity where we're all going to get in front of, and we're going to learn this inside and out. We're going to do it. So here's the facts about the real estate market right now. Inventory drives pricing. That's the basis of the business for our market. Interest rates, mortgage forbearance, rent moratorium, government programs, defaults, and all. So currently, right now, this was 2008. I wholesaled during 2008. And if you notice in 2006, right here, we were sitting at about a little under 5 months, 4.5 months supply. And then we rapidly grew to over 12 months supply. Now, what did life look like at 12 months supply of inventory? What did the world look like? Do you remember what TV was?
Yeah.
Another company.
Banks were giving away houses. Banks were giving away houses.
Banks were giving away houses. Foreclosures were everywhere. Friends and family were, losing everything, right? It was, the largest hard money lender in Phoenix, Arizona dressed up in a tuxedo and killed himself. Home builders were out of business. All because of what? Inventory. The more inventory you have, it drives pricing down. So, and what happens is, it turned around, you see in 2009, it plummeted, went up a little bit, went down. And now we are sitting, right now, in 2021, we are currently sitting at basically 493,000 units of inventory nationally. It is down year over year, 52%. 52% year over year. Average days on market is 54. Median home price is 370,000, up 16%. Now, I also wholesaled during 2005. In 2005, it was crazy. You could get a property under contract and wait a month, and it was up 12, 13%, and you could turn around and sell it for a higher price. It was crazy because the market was going crazy. So, active listings, right? So that's 493,000. In Phoenix, right now, there's about 3,000 units on the market. In 2008 in Phoenix, there was over 50,000 units. So what happened to pricing in Phoenix? There's a pocket in Phoenix called Maryvale, and in Maryvale, there's houses in there $220,000 to $230,000. Today, they're about $250,000, $260,000. When the market crashed, and the inventory, that's a market crash. Inventory goes up, market crash, right? When the market crashed, as inventory went up, those houses went from $220,000 down to $25,000 to $30,000. Blackstone came in, hedge fund, the big opportunity, came up and bought the majority of the entire neighborhood. Bought the entire neighborhood. So, what does Biden do? He goes, oh, you don't have any inventory? Let's give everybody a $15,000, not everybody, first-time home buyers, a $15,000 home buyer tax credit, essentially more free money. Let's give them free money for home buyers so they can do what? Buy homes in a already
Inflated market.
Yeah, no inventory. So this just came out and is now a bill and is now being pushed out. And what's it doing? Decreasing inventory, right? And already in market, which is crazy. Now let's look at interest rates. Yes, go ahead.
I also had an attorney of mine in Atlanta that was telling me that he's been hearing that a lot of these hedge funds are also buying up a lot of the new construction. So before it even hits the market, it's not even in the market because the hedge funds are buying them all up now. That's keeping the inventory low.
Keeping the inventory low. It's crazy. So, what's going to happen? Interest rates right now, Fed minutes came out yesterday, basically said we're leaving interest rates the same. And they're actually sort of not touching interest rates apparently until 2023, although Yellen came out about 3 weeks ago in the market crash, if you saw it, came out and said, oh, we might have to do something with interest rates, and guess what happened in the market? went down 200 points. Just because she said that, right? That thing. So, and what is recently a number that's come out that literally kind of shocked the market, and you saw the NASDAQ drop about 3 to 4% CPI. So CPI is Consumer Price Index. CPI is inflation numbers. So right now they're worried about inflation. But what do you want to own during inflation? Real estate, and gold, and silver, right? So that means those are inflationary hedges against inflation. So now they're saying, well, inflation is transitory. What the heck does transitory mean? You know what transitory means? I have no freaking idea what transitory means. It's just it's moving objects. I don't know. Anyways, so we're at historically low interest rates. Market's completely on fire, raising. So we're sitting right now, current numbers, 2.7 million homeowners are in forbearance. 4+ million homeowners are late on their mortgage. And that's the data we know. 8.4 million renters are facing eviction, 200,000 businesses are permanently closed. So if you take these two numbers, and we talked about it in the other round, we're talking close to 7 million people are in foreclosure or forbearance. So the market is going to crash.